Analyzers. Process analysis and emission monitoring require long product life cycles of the analyzers. A high availability is mandatory for the operator. Therefore, he has to react quickly in case of a breakdown. By ordering spare parts when needed, the costs stay low, but the availability does as well. Putting spare parts and redundant analyzers on stock can increase the availability, but also leads to additional costs. High capex and risks are the consequence. What about a solution to secure a high availability without increasing capex and risk? This is Smart Parts from SICK. Customized sets of spare parts and even complete analyzers will be put on stock on the customer's site. Our experts will help the customer find out which parts these are. In case of a breakdown or maintenance, the spare parts and analyzers are immediately available. And the costs? As a part of the service contracts, SICK provides spare parts and analyzer as replacement on-site for a provision fee. And the customer ultimately only pays for what he takes out. Smart Parts from SICK.